Here it is, May 11th, 2020, and this is the sight I woke up to this morning. Wow, it's a winter wonderland. I better go check on my trees, my tropical trees in the greenhouse. So here's the backyard. Wow, that looks different. Haven't had snow like this in a while. I sure hope my trees are okay. Here we go, let's see. Look at these trees, holy. That is some good snow. Wow, here's the larch forest. At least the snow is probably protecting the new needles coming out. Okay, let's see. I've sealed the greenhouse up well. The trees, I think they look okay. 9.8 degrees Celsius in the greenhouse, so well above freezing. Yeah, well, that's good. And the roof hasn't collapsed in or anything. Seems like the snow's melted off the roof, so that's good also. I'll keep it closed. My cedar hedge is kind of drooping a bit. Yeah, so there's the maple. Now, usually temperatures just below freezing don't hurt the leaves too badly, but we'll see. You can see them up here that they're not. They look fine. Ever seen an elephant in snow? Wow. Look at the snow on top of there. That's quite a load. Here's the pine. Wow. There's all the new leaves on the elm. Ginkgo. Douglas firs. My spruce. Birch. Wow, the witch's tree, the little cedar spirit tree. Let's check out the Avatar Grove. Not much snow on the floor of the forest, but plenty up top. That's a larch tree there. That looks really nice. Let's see how fast the snow melts here. Put some in my hand. It's like cotton candy. Good packing snow. You can sculpt things out of it. Not really melting much. So that is it. Everything's looking okay out here. The greenhouse is looking fine. All the trees look beautiful around the area. Yeah, just a typical spring day in Ontario, Canada.